our day. Alright, it's coming. So everyone, this is Alpha and Turkey, our yellow crest cockatoo. Well, those birds mostly can be found in Australia, and also you can find it in Dalawaru, Kai, and Sumba in Indonesia. Ini dia si Alpha dan Turkey.